Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. Do you lose weight on a trendy diet and then gain it all back? In this video, I'll share excess body fat versus weight gain, sustainable versus unsustainable diets, ignore fast weight loss claims and testimonials, excess weight loss math, estimating your calorie needs, foods you should cut or eliminate, and organic versus non-organic foods. This video is about creating unique, sustainable diets to lose excess body fat due to diets providing too many calories and diets to maintain a healthy weight. Diet is not the only reason for excess body fat. Weight gain can be caused by hormone imbalances. Some prescription drugs can slow your metabolism, causing an increase in body fat. Other drugs, like NSAIDs, can cause water retention. Edema increases weight, but not body fat. Reducing calories or increasing physical activities may or may not be enough to prevent non-dietary weight gain. There's no shortage of diet plans for fast weight loss and better health. If these simple, easy-to-follow diets produce miraculous results, why is the number of overweight and obese people increasing? There are many reasons fad diets fail. The diet requires unsustainable changes or is unaffordable. The diet requires people who cannot cook to cook, or eliminates foods people love. The diet is designed for unrealistic weight loss. The diet is one size fits all, or is nutrient deficient, requiring supplements. Unsustainable diets include 10 to 20 day detox diet plans. Sustainable diets provide 365 days of healthy foods. Unsustainable diets require organic grass-fed beef and meats, and organically grown plant foods. Sustainable diets provide nutritious foods regardless of your income. Sustainable diets do not last a few weeks or months. They contribute to a long, healthy life until death do you part. Instead of eliminating foods you love, sustainable diets allow you to enjoy them in moderation. Anyone can tell you to ban foods and food groups instead of educating how to take control of your diet. Unsustainable diets that do not provide perfectly portioned meals assume the dieter can cook. Many overweight and obese people rely on prepared foods because they cannot or will not cook. Prepared foods are created to satisfy wants, not needs. Sustainable diets satisfy both wants and needs while maintaining a healthy weight. Many diet plans promise fast, easy weight loss. The common myth is that you'll never feel hungry and lose tons of weight on our diet plan. In reality, diets with child-sized portions of highly processed foods is not the solution to permanent sustainable weight loss. Many fad diets concentrate on calories and losing excess body fat. When you cut calories, body fat supplies the needed calories. But your daily diet supplies more than calories. It also supplies amino acids, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. You can cut calories 50% or more to lose weight fast, but you also cut other essential nutrients. If essential nutrients do not come from other sources, like dietary supplements, your brain thinks food is scarce and begins to slow your metabolism to conserve nutrients. A slower metabolism can continue after you've achieved your weight loss goal. If you normally need 2,200 calories a day, your body may only burn 2,000 calories a day. The extra 200 calories a day becomes new body fat. The takeaway from this section is that a sustainable reduced calorie diet must provide all essential nutrients to prevent a slow metabolism. Several viewers have commented that their keto diet plan allows them to lose up to 5 pounds a week. Although they do not specifically mention body fat, I will assume they mean body fat. After all, excess body fat is the reason most people go on a diet. Is losing 5 pounds of body fat a week realistic? 1 pound of body fat has about 3,500 calories, similar to 1 pound of butter. 5 pounds of body fat stores 17,500 calories. Divided by 7 days equals 2,500 calories a day. A person can lose 5 pounds of body fat per week by cutting 2,500 calories a day from their current diet. Let's assume a hypothetical 40-year-old male who currently weighs 275 pounds and wants to lose 5 pounds per week. So how many calories a day does it take to maintain his current weight? Is it 2,000, 2,600, 3,000, or 3,500? The correct answer is B, about 2,600 calories a day. Cutting 1,000 calories a day is considered extreme weight loss. My hypothetical obese male must cut 2,500 calories a day to lose 5 pounds a week. That means a daily diet of about 135 calories. Most people would consider a 135 calorie diet fasting, not dieting. Losing 5 pounds of body fat a week requires more than dieting. One viewer commented that he routinely loses up to 5 pounds a week on a 1,700 calorie keto diet and no physical activities. Does that mean his non-keto diet provides over 4,000 calories a day? The takeaway is ignore claims you can lose more than a pound a week. Several viewer comments claim the lack of sources in my videos about fat diets is proof the information is biased and false. Do common sense and basic algebra require sources? Anyone with an internet connection, smartphone, or smartwatch can estimate their daily calorie needs. Most will probably be surprised by how few calories it takes to be overweight or obese. Before radically changing your diet based on a celebrity diet guru, calculate your body mass index using your weight without clothes. Use a calorie calculator to estimate how many calories it takes to maintain your present weight. Next, establish a weight loss goal. Losing 10% of your current weight at 1/2 to 1 pound a week is achievable without major changes. The next step is to evaluate your current diet and where you can cut calories, like reducing or eliminating foods and beverages high in added sugars, and replacing high-calorie, low-nutrient foods with low-calorie, high-nutrient foods. Sustainable diets cut hundreds of calories without cutting essential nutrients. In general, obesogenic diets are high-processed food diets. Unlike cultures that eat a wide variety of minimally processed foods, many Americans eat what amounts to a meat and potatoes diet, or more accurately, a meat and starch diet. Many starchy foods are high in sugar and fat calories. A sustainable reduced calorie diet provides all essential nutrients. The more calories you cut, the more difficult it is obtaining essential nutrients from your diet. Sustainable diets provide enough fiber, protein, fat, and carbohydrates. One goal is obtaining enough daily fiber. Fiber comes from plant foods. Obtaining 25 grams of fiber from very low-carb diets is challenging. Fiber is not only a prebiotic that induces the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, it also helps prevent constipation. It's not impossible obtaining enough fiber from low-carb foods, but it is more challenging and restricted. The next essential nutrient is protein, about 80 to 100 grams a day. Most people associate protein with muscles. Hemoglobin in red blood cells is a protein. Cholesterol is high and low density lipoproteins. Many cells in your body require protein. Protein comes from both animal and plant foods, with animal foods providing the highest percentage of protein. Lean protein provides more protein and less fat and calories. With animal food protein, you get fat, protein, vitamins, and minerals. With plant foods, you get fat, protein, fiber, sugars, starches, vitamins, minerals, and micronutrients. A sustainable diet should provide about 30% fat calories. There are many natural, high-fat foods to easily provide enough essential fat. The most controversial is daily carbohydrate intake. Low-carb diets have been around for decades. Research studies show people eating high natural plant food diets live longer, healthier lives. People on or promoting keto and other low-carb diets disagree. Keep in mind, low-carb diets are marketed to people who are overweight or obese. The goal of any sustainable diet is obtaining the calories and essential nutrients your body needs. Several essential vitamins are more abundant in plant foods than animal foods. The same with several essential minerals. You must evaluate your diet and decide if you want to obtain essential nutrients from foods or supplements. Limit prepared foods high in refined carbs and calories, and rely on nutrient-packed natural foods. Eating only organic foods is a personal choice. Organic does not always equal healthy. Organic produce sold by most supermarkets is usually harvested months before. Although organic, their nutrient value is similar to non-organic produce. For a sustainable diet, buy organic foods that fit your budget. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching and healthy eating.